So now we're going to inflate a latex balloon using Float Magic. You can purchase them in 2 different sizes from our website. This is the large one and this is your standard one. There is a size guide on the back for different balloon sizes. So make sure you roll the neck of the balloon all the way up so it's all scrunched up. You want the Float Magic to only go in the bulb or the larger part of the balloon. Push it down and the gel Float Magic will go into your balloon, and then you pull that off. Massage the Float Magic into the large part or the bulb of the balloon, making sure it covers all the surface area, and then you're ready to inflate. So you turn on your helium by opening the green tap nozzle all the way. You place your balloon onto the nozzle and push down. Slow and steady. And there's your latex balloon. So this should last 25 times longer than the latex balloon without the gel inside. So the average float time with the Float Magic inside the latex balloon, normally 2 to 3 days, sometimes longer depending on the temperature of the room that they are kept in. And then without, it's 8 to 10 hours at their full size, and then they'll slowly start going down. Make sure you turn your gas off and release any gas that's left in the nozzle.